Okay guys, here in this video, I'm going to detail how to turn on voice messages transcript in WhatsApp. So the new WhatsApp feature allows you to transcribe all your voice message, and here I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So say this, then instead of listening to this particular voice message, I can easily transcribe the voice message without listening to it. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on voice message transcript on Android, all you just need to do first, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. So open the Play Store application on your phone, click on search, and here you want to search for WhatsApp. So go ahead and search for WhatsApp. Then open the WhatsApp and make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. This is very important. Otherwise, voice message transcript or transcriber feature will not be added. Then once updated your WhatsApp to latest variant, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. So basically here, this is for 100 users. Then open it. Go ahead and click on the three dots at top right and then select settings. Now, once you select settings, scroll down the page, locate and click on chats. Now, once you click on chats, scroll down the chats page. Here, there is a new feature called voice message transcript. Go ahead and turn this on. Then I'm going to say what that says, read your voice messages with transcripts. Then click on choose language. Select the language you want to read your voice messages in transcript. Here, I'm going to select English language. Then click on setup now. Now, once you click on setup now, the voice message transcript will be turned on, and then the feature to transcribe all voice messages on your WhatsApp will download. You can see. So this is downloading. Now you need to wait until the file is downloaded for you to be able to use the voice message transcript on your WhatsApp. Now the next thing is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Then go to your voice message. Press and hold the voice message. Click on the three dots at top right. Then choose change language. Then if your language is not changed, click on that and then you see the voice message is transcribed. You see that? Then if you press and hold any voice message, click on the top right there. They're gonna say either transcript or change language. So let's try this on other voice messages. So scroll down, click on your other voice message, press and hold it, click on the three dots at top right. Then you're gonna see change language, then select English language. Then it's gonna be transcribing. You see that? Then after a couple of seconds, the voice or audio message is going to be transcribed to the language you selected. However, after the whole setup is completed, if you click on your voice or audio message like this, you click on three dots, you're going to say transcribe or transcript. So go ahead and click on that. So that's basically how to turn on or enable voice message transcript in WhatsApp on your Android phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.